Hi everybody. Okay, let's try this again. I got all confused when I was doing this video the first time. So we are back with another Savage X VIP box. For those who don't know, the VIP is a $49.95 a month. You will get charged only if you don't purchase anything between the 1st and the 6th, or if you don't tell them to skip this month. If you do get charged, that $49.95 is used as a credit towards your next purchase. That's why when I get my VIP sets, I end up paying like $5 altogether for it, because they already taken that credit. And this time we have the stranded in lace. As you guys can see, I'm not decked out because as soon as I make this video another one, I'm running to the grocery store. So I didn't have time to be taking on things, taking them off. So first we have the stranded in lace bra, which is like very pretty scalloped pink on orange. So this part, the scallops are pink, but then the solid part to orange. And let me put my fist in so you can see it clearly. So that's a really, really pretty color. It looks like a flower. So this is the type that would look like a flower once you put it on yourself. The straps are orange. As you can see, you can adjust them here. Very well made, good stitching. There is underwire. So if you aren't an underwire person, this probably wouldn't be your bra. But for short periods of time, I can do underwire. And it has a little tassel here, which is so cute. So I'm getting all tangled up here, and I don't even know how this happened. So you see how the tassel hangs. And let's take a look at the back. The back is that almost like net material, and it's in orange. However, it is solid underneath, so you don't have that netting against your skin. But sometimes some netting works, some netting only works for a little while, some doesn't at all. But I love the fact that it's solid against your skin, and the band here is pretty thick, so it's going to hold you in very well. I love the way that's made. And you have the embellishments on top. And those are really pretty because it gives you kind of that kind of oomph look when you put it on. So I always love a little bit of oomph when I put these things on. Just to let you guys know, hand wash cold, do not bleach, line dry, do not iron, do not dry clean. Okay, that's good to know. You gotta always pay attention to those type of things. And if you can, get yourself a laundry bag. I know it's not, well, it's not cheap for some, but invest in a nice laundry bag. If you're investing in nice lingerie, save the money, get yourself a laundry bag, and in that way you don't have to worry about it damaging when it goes to the cycle. Because I'm telling you right now, if you don't have a laundry bag, this little tassel is going to get lost. It takes nothing for the laundry to tear up your clothes in the process of cleaning them. Let's see. I was trying to see what this is made out of. I don't see it yet. Oh, polymade, 91% polymade, and then 9% elastane. Probably polyester and elastic. But it feels good. It's a nice strong bra. It's going to definitely hold me in. And it's actually really pretty. Orange and pink are two colors I never think could go together. But I think it's one of those things, if you have the right hue, they look perfect with each other. Like you would never think purple and yellow will go together. But if you get the right contrast of colors, they actually work. And this really works. I like this one a lot. And this one is a 40 triple D. And so next we have the stranded in lace undies. So you have that same shape as the bra, except this one is upside down. I think the bra was this way, but then the undies are this way. They kind of get you that different shape. And it has this sort of a brief cut. So now that you guys see the front, I will show you the back. It's so pretty. It has a nice thick elastic band. So this is something that will fit up probably a little bit high, like right underneath your belly button. I actually like that. I don't like things that goes like to the hip because it just makes my stomach poke out and it's not cute on me. So I'm very careful about that. And then you have the stitching here. So you have that orange as a stitching that holds it together, and that's the outside of stitching. So the stitching is actually done very well because you still have that, it still kept the shape when they did the stitching. But sometimes the stitching will make things off and you could tell that it's just bad stitching, but this is really good stitching. And you also have that same embellishment that you have on the bra. Let's see. And there is a little diamond piece here in the crotch area in case you guys are watching for that. Watching, not watching, watching. Blah, blah, blah. And then care instructions are, sorry, it's like so many languages in here. This will let you know how worldwide this brand is because there's so many languages. Hand wash code, do not bleach, line dry, do not iron, do not dry clean. And this is an extra large, by the way. Y'all know I don't lie to y'all about my size. 13% elastane, 100% cotton. So we have cotton and elastane. So this part probably here is all cotton, but then the elastic band is elastane. So I am definitely looking forward to putting this on. It's just so pretty and so bright. Like, can you make a one-piece bathing suit like this? I would love that. Even though for years people tell me you can't wear white, bright colors being your size. It don't look good. Screw that. Wear what you want. And now we have the corset of stranded and lace. So once again, you have those tassels and it ties up in the back like this. And then you have the corset. So this is all one piece. And then these gives it a little bit. Let me put a hand behind it so you see that this crisscrosses and it hits right on your hip. So it embellishes that hip for you. And as you can see, you have the orange across the side. You have that stitching like the bra, but in the bra it was going up and the underwear was going down. Here it's going to the sides and out. Let's get a look at the back. Like I said, I'm sorry guys, I couldn't put this on. It's also a little see-through. And now look at it, it's like, oh crap, I could not have worn this. It's so see-through. But that is the back. And you see that band goes all the way around. So let me stand up so you can see the whole thing. I'm trying to like maneuver this. Now, mind you, I haven't tightened this at all for my neck. So here. So I think that's very, very pretty. And then you have your hip part here. Very pretty, very well made. Loving the stitching, loving the embellishments. We got to see how the hip part looks like. I have my tiger stripes on my hips, so that's a little iffy for me. And then inside, string, free string. There you go. That's the crotch side, if you guys want to see that. And like I said, once again, the stitching is done very well, so it's not off. Being that I crochet, I'm very careful when it comes to stitching and messing up your pattern. It's like a thing in my brain that just tells me you cannot mess up this pattern because you're sewing it together. You got to stay within the lines. But I love the Stranded and Lace set. So for 50 bucks, you got the corset. Put that around my neck. Panty. And you got your bra. And to me, that is a darn good price for getting your sexy on. So let me know what you guys think of the Stranded and Lace. Is it something you'll pick up for yourself? Your likes, your dislikes. Is it a color thing? If you dislike it, is it just the way it looks? You know, let me know what you guys think about it. I think I love it. I cannot wait for the next box to come out. In fact, I ordered the next box. That's part of the reason why I decided to do the video today, because I know the next one's coming and I'm falling behind between this and blogging movies. I'm falling behind somewhere in my life. I am not a multitasker. Let me tell y'all that right now. I am not a multitasker. Something always falls between the cracks when I'm trying to do several things at one time. So once again, that was the Savage X Stranded in Lace Fenty box. Let me know what you guys think about it. Is it a good box? Is it for you? If not, let me know why. If it is, let me know. Let me know if you bought it. All right, y'all. All right, love you guys. A like, comment, and subscribe. And in life, there's black and white, but with me, you get a shade of gray. Bye, guys.